Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how chocolate is made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The roasted beans are ground into a thick liquor, blending the cocoa solids and cocoa butter to develop the rich flavor and smooth consistency.
Here, the cocoa solids and cocoa butter are meticulously blended. This crucial refining process develops.
We're seeing a slight drop in viscosity. Go to manual override sequence gamma.
Confirmed. The levels are stabilizing now. The viscosity is holding steady at 2.5.
Good, let's bump the temperature up by 5 degrees and monitor the reaction.
Each batch is refined and tested for quality. Each batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how chocolate is made, to curate, from start to finish.